Hello everybody, Porch Light here. Now, I've been busy because I had to get rid of all those sunchokes, pumpkins. It was just crowding up the garden, y'all. So now that I got room to do my thing, the garden looks completely different. But I'm gonna give y'all a tour at some point. But for right now, what we're gonna do is just show you today's harvest. And I'm not done. Onions and Jerusalem artichokes, also called sunchokes. Got a nifty pumpkin there. Got cucumbers, okra, and tomatoes. And I didn't even plant those cherry tomatoes. And look at that. That's all cherry tomatoes, volunteer. Came up on their own. I did not plant one this year. Not one. And I'm just strolling through. See, I can actually walk. And we got these guys. So, basically, that's the other side of the cherry tomato patch. Basically, we've done a lot of work cleaning up, trying to get ready for fall. And look, I had all this was Jerusalem artichokes, y'all. Sunchokes, y'all. All of that was pumpkins. All of that over there. So if this video is a drastic change from the video from yesterday, know that it took a couple weeks to get done, but we got it done, y'all. Porch Light out.